Nicely out by number 8. Kiri, nagdalawang easy pass to number 12. 12 on the shot clock. Shot clock down to 10. Tap shot, 3 points, number 12. Urbanoso. 10, 16. Medyo pauti na lang. Number 6, 8 connect. Sumuso. Sumusa. Kung babae, sumusa. Kung lalaki, sumuso. Number 10, Rebame Gabas. Pass to number 8, Ribuya. Ribuya now with 6 points in the ball game. Sandok to. Pasok.
Nakay 12. Nakay 12.
Kaya to bounce.
Wala. Nakay 12. Nakay 12.
Inbound, Turion pass to Villaver, pass to Turion. To pass to Gabas. 1-1 by number 15. Foul number 12, pushing foul number 12. Urbanoso pick up your first personal foul, warning for penalty by 1 city. Baseline inbound. Villaver. Pass to Turion. Turion hinanap si Gabas. 1-on-1 by Merced. Troubling violation. Ang ganda ni depensa ni Merced, inatrasan konti, nagchacha, traveling. Turnover by Lomas Cuevas, piso score 10-20 with 4 minutes and 45 remaining time. From the downtown, Urbanoso. Nice down. Gabas. Del pass to Villaver from the downtown ni Bawos. Wala di ay. Taga Cebu. Kini may taga Cebu. Jewel Tura Turion. Formerly Red Bull. Di Panggas Akasya kahit kayo. Oh! Si Kadukoy. Grabe mga apelido. Nasa Facebook. Pwede yung friends. Oh my Villaver! Oh, wow, what a second chance point by Villaver. Basket count. Foul number 15. Possible 3-point play by number 14, Villaver. Nag-distribute niya. Nagkasalamat. Ano ni? Humba na po. Karon chicken curry. Okay, official score 15-25, 10 puntos na po mga kaibigan. Akadukoy! Basket count, Greg, foul number 14, Villaver. Substitution. Villaver pick up your first personal foul, penalty. Both teams are now in the penalty. A 3-point play by Kadukoy. I-phrase niyo sa Facebook, Kadukoy. Gabas, 1-1 by Merced. Ay, ipasahan si Reverie Enriquez. 25-18. Ay, sabi niyo usapon na naman. Traveling violation. According to referee Balbun. Okay. Okay, salamat. Wala ito mga medics, no? So, may mga problema, mga samad-samad, mga galos gamay. Okay, back to the ball game, Maputi. Pass to Villaver. Guarded by Kirit, shot clock down to 12. Rebound by Navarro. Long pass to number 16, Kirit. Tinignan pa po si Villaver, mga kaibigan. Akala niya nasa likuran si Torion, si Villaver ang humabol. Okay. 25-20. 5 puntos na po, mga kaibigan. Katil by Gabas, dedication double team. Basket count. Basket count foul number 6. Kadukoy. Substitution. Number 8, Sumuso. Navarro, follow-up jumper. Rebound by Gabas. Gabas pass to Torion. Torion, tingnan mo. Oh! Pass Biliber. Torion tumira. Maputi. Yes! Clap your hands, clap your hands. Maputi. Ang hindi na natin ito yung Maputi saksak. Number 12. Orban. Luzu. Su. Number 14. Villaper. Katil by Gabas. Pass to Maputi. Same spot, same channel. Rebound by Orbanuso. Orbanuso pass to Snowbaro. Patagilid sila ba mga kaibigan? Pinakita niya si Jimmy Torion mga kaibigan. Patagilid. Mamaya, tagilid rin. Tagilid rin. Ay! Mga kaibigan. Another Villaver. Maputi na naman. Pangatong tira. Pag-rebound. Nasa Maputi na rebound. Traveling violation. Substitution. Villaver. Pinalitan si Villaver mga kaibigan with 8 points in the ball game. Official score 25-29. 1 minute and 47 seconds remaining in first quarter. Navarro. Given screen by Mercedes Elalim. Kaduko. 2 puntos na lang mga kaisunan. With 1 minute and 30 remaining time. Paunti-unti pong score ang Bayawan City. Gabas. Kick out to number 3. Torion. Jewel. Rebound battle. Number 10. Gabas. Rebound by number 13. Ang hirap talaga. Wow, nagkahirap-hirap. Nagkalisod-lisod. Pugos lalo. Ganahan kayo makamot. Okay, 1 minute and 14. 27-29. Ayun naman. Oy! Kirit! Gabas! Oh! Navarro! Oy! Hindi ka pa mga Navarro, ha? Ayan na! First hit of the ball game. 29 all with 1 minute. Okay. Kapag maingay ng crowd, hindi gumaganda ng laban, mga kaibigan. 14 on the shot clock, natawagan ng foul. A foul committed with jersey number 12. Legal use of hands. Penalty. Both teams are now in the penalty. Tapla po tayo mga kaibigan. 51 seconds remaining time. First. Unang tira, Maputi. Parang labanan line. Wala, rebound by Kadukoy. Okay, Timos Kadukoy. Okay, 45 seconds remaining time. Navarro, pull-up jumper. Battle for the rebound. Pick up by Kirit. Nilabas mga kaibigan, 35 seconds remaining. Kadukoy, rebound by Aguilar, 30 seconds. Number 13, Gramatica, with 21 seconds, shot clock is off. Shot clock is off, 29:30. 20 seconds. 15. Connect. 10 seconds, labaw na. 7 seconds remaining. Okay. May iwan na. 7 seconds, 7 seconds. 31-30.